Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi network or set one as a temporary hotspot. This reduces transfer failures. Once done, open the app and allow storage and local network access so files can be read and written. Next, pick the photos you want to move, choose the app's pairing method, scan a QR, enter a code, or accept a hotspot request, and tap Connect. This immediate sequence gets data flowing fast and prevents permission-related stops. Once connected, you control the transfer. Select batches and enable optional compression to lower size and speed up transfer, especially for many files. Make sure to watch the progress bar and the reported MB/S. This tells you if the link is steady. If speed drops, pause and resume, or cancel and retry a smaller batch. Also, keep the app in the foreground and the screen awake so the OS won't suspend the process, and make sure no other app hogs bandwidth. You finish by verifying the photos open and that file sizes and dates match. This confirms integrity. Once done, gracefully disconnect within the app so cache is clear. If any items failed, use the app's resume or retry for only the failed files. Don't resend everything. If you encounter errors, try toggling Wi-Fi, restart the app, or switch to hotspot pairing. This usually resolves network negotiation problems. If one photo is corrupted, retransfer that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.